I'm not in it.
You are in it.
I got your shirt on.
Are you serious?
This is yours.
Oh, where did you get that?
It's on the couch.
Okay. Okay, so what is up, Giz Army? It is your girl, LATRICE. I'm back at you again with another lifestyle video. You fixed it? Like, I wish you would. Anyways, we're back at you again. My mom is here again.
Hi.
And she's gonna help me get this pigsty of a creative studio together. So, you know, if you like to see that, just keep on watching.
All right.
Where we starting, Mom? I say we start with the closet. It's not a lot. I don't even know what you.
It is a lot.
No, it's totally like not. All right, you ready? This was my deployment tough box. Look that. Goes on this pillow goes on that couch over there.
Okay. Where you bought it from?
Huh?
Where'd you buy it from?
I can't remember. But this is like my travel stuff. When I came home, when I came home from deployment.
Oh, that's so cute.
Whoa, yes. That was back in the day. Something similar too. It's only halfway done, guys. Been in here an hour and 15 minutes. I think we can finish it in 45 minutes. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I know, this is so crazy. Look, in my South view.
Oh my God.
this is through your high school.
This is high school.
This is just high school, right? Or is it every?
This is
okay, I
just
got
high
this.
school.
Let me do.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That was when you had me in model search, boy.
Where was you?
That was when I was about to leave for that thing. It was as a cadet.
ROTC thing, camp.
Yeah, JRTC.
Look at you. Oh, look at there. Look at you.
Oh my god.
What you mad about? Mad about something? Looking crazy.
Trying to be a model head. Who did this? Look at that. Scored 2 goals overtime period. Yes.
Did y'all win?
Of course we did. I want to make the paper.
I know that's right.
Giz Army, well, we finally finished the room. It took us, or the creator studio, it took us 3 hours. Special thanks to my mom, Lee.
You're welcome.
My beautiful mom, Lee. Who helped me throughout the whole thing, but pretty much we just basically moved everything into the living room and we gotta take a whole bunch of stuff to storage, but now I can start actually creating in this room and getting more stuff for my walls. I want to get a vanity for this area right here and some storage equipment maybe for the closet and other little things that I have in here, but it took us 3 hours, like I said. Anyway, if you want to see more of these lifestyle videos of me getting my apartment together, make sure you guys thumbs up this video. And of course, join the biggest army on YouTube, which is Giz Army. Go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next upload. It is your girl, LATRICE. And remember to always protect your peace.